Today's Google Classroom is all about adding. We're going to be adding together two small numbers to find the answer. On the top of the turquoise box and on the bottom of the turquoise box are some helpers or counters to help you figure out the answer. The top number represents the first number here, and the bottom number represents the second number. So if I was trying to figure out 5 plus 5, what it equals, I would count to see what the number is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know 10 is the answer. So I'm going to pick my green circle. I'm going to click it and drag it up over on top of the 10. And that shows that that's the answer I want. So over here on your scrolly bar, you're going to find your next screen that you need to do. And this screen says 6 plus 2. So I have 6 counters up here and 2 counters below. I can count those together to figure out what the answer is. And again, take your green circle and click it and drag it to what answer you'd like to show. When you're all done with your addition, you need to turn it into your Google Classroom.